So hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video we are going to do MCQ true and false and fill in the blank like question from the chapter development of class 10 CBSE. So as usual, without wasting our time, starting with the question 1. The total number of children attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the sum age group is called net attendance ratio, literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, and level of education. And its correct answer is option A, net attendance ratio. I think you all have read it. Now question 2. Per capita income hides disparities, average income, total population, and none of these. And just think about the answer. And its correct answer is option A, disparities. Now question 3. Per capita income of Kerala is higher than that of Bihar, Punjab, Gujarat, none of these. And I think it should Bihar. Yes, it is Bihar. Now question 4. Dividing the total income of country with its population, we get per capita income, national income, average income, and total income. These are the four conditions. So option A only 3, option B 1 and 2, option C all of the above, and option D none of these. Dividing the total income of a country with its population, we get per capita income. Only 3. Oh, average income. Now question 5. The per capita income of different countries is counted in which currency? Rupees, pounds, US dollars, and Canadian dollars. So just check the answer, and it's US dollar. Now question 6. Among Haryana, Kerala, and Bihar, the lowest per capita income state is Bihar. It shows that Bihar has high standard of living. People are earning less in Kerala. Maharashtra has more number of rich people. On an average, people in Bihar have low income, and its option D is the correct answer. So question 7. Meaning of development is different for different people. Aligned people. It's alien people. So funny. Now option C. Same people and none of these. And its correct answer is option A. Different people. Now question 8. Development of an individual refers to mental development, physical development, spiritual development, overall development, and it's option D. Overall development means development of an individual. Now question 9. Classical view of economic development includes per capita income, national income, none of these, both A and B, and it's per capita income. Now question 10. Development goal for landless agriculture labor is high price for crop, more days of work, cheap labor, and pollution free environment, and it's more days of work because they are the landless agriculture labor, so high price of crop doesn't mean anything for them, and cheap labor is also useless thing. Now question 11. Per capita income of low income countries is, just look at the answers and choose one of the correct, and it's option B. Now question 12. If industrialists want more dams, then why do local people resist it? They will be displaced, all land will be submerged, there will be no source of income for them, all of the above, and it's all of the above. Now question 13. IMR stands for infant mortality rate, Indian mortality rate, international mortality rate, ratio. You can say also rate. And now option D, none of these, and it's option A, infant mortality ratio. Now question 14. People may have different development goals. What is development for one may even be dash for the other. Destructive, constructive, same, or equal, and it's destructive, as we have looked at the example of dam. Now question 15. Development criteria include income, equal treatment, freedom, and all of these, and its correct answer is option A, income. Now question 16. The literacy rate is highest in Kerala while the infant mortality rate is highest in Bihar. What does it mean? Most of the people in Kerala and Bihar have good living condition. Both Bihar and Kerala lack basic necessity of life The standard of living in Kerala is better than Bihar. The standard of living in Bihar is better than Kerala. And it's option C. The standard of living in Kerala is better than Bihar. Just by data. Now question 17. The Human Development Report HDR published by UNDP compares countries based on literacy rate, health status and dash, national income, per capita income, both A and B and none of the above, and is per capita income. Now question 18. Full form of SED is Sustainable Economic Development, Simple Economic Development, Sound Economic Development and none of these, and it's Sustainable Economic Development. If you don't know what is sustainable development, then just you can check my playlist. I have made already video on it. Now question 19. A good way to measure the quality of life in countries across the world is by comparing their per capita income, Human Development Index, gross national income and sustainable development, and its Human Development Index HDI. Now question 20. Which among the following is not a public facility? Transport and electricity, roads and bridges, private schools and government hospitals, and it's option C, private schools. So question 21. The dash helps in maintaining the nutritional level of poor people by providing food at lower cost. BMI, body mass index, GNI, option B is PDS, public distribution system, option C is GNI, gross national income, and HDI, human development index, and is option B, PDS, public distribution system. Just look at the terms and remember the definition of every. Now question 22. Economic development by maintaining the natural resources for present and future is known as sustainable development. Yeah, it is sustainable development. No need to worry about other options. Now fill in the blank like question. The average income is also known as per capita income. Now question 2. BMI stand for dash. Is body mass index. We have read it. Now question 3. Per capita income of the US is, just look at that. Now question 4. SDI rank of India is 130 according to 2018 report. Literacy rate in Bihar in the year 2001 was 62%. Just look them. Now true and false like question. Average income and per capita income both are the same concepts. True. SDI is compared on the basic of education only. Is false. Adult literacy rate means people of 7 years and above. It is also false. Now question 4. Literacy rate of India is 67%. It's false. Just write down in the comment section the correct one. Now question 5. Life expectancy is at the time of death. It's false. So we have done all the questions from the chapter development of class 10 CBSE. So if you want more objective related to class 10 and science also, you can check my playlist. I'm trying to make video on English also. So just subscribe the channel to get regular notifications. So have a good day.